step-by-step guide to register as a client. If you are looking to resolve your disputes without hassle and without wasting time in court hearings in a legal manner, then this is the right place. In this video, you will get to know step-by-step process to register as a client with Indian Dispute Resolution Center. First, you have to open your browser and type theidrc.com and press enter. Tap on the client tab on the home page, which will direct you to the login page once you are there. Now click on the register now tab. This will take you to the registration form. Fill your name under first name, then fill your last name, fill your email ID, fill your mobile number. Now set a password. Confirm your password. Now fill your address. Now click on the Register Now tab. Now this will send an auto-generated email for email ID verification. Open your email and verify your email ID. After verification, you can now log in by filling your email ID and password. This will take you to your personal dashboard, where you can explore our offline and EADR facilities. You can book your hearings as well as file your claim petitions with us. Indian Dispute Resolution Center, helping good people resolve.